Pinapabati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pagre-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9:00 ng umaga hanggang 7:00 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Madge. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Ayan. Good afternoon sa lahat. Welcome back to our online tutorial session for this afternoon. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? Ayan. Okay, so ngayon po ay nasa week 3 na tayo ng quarter 1 at ang ating lesson ay absolute value and operations on integers. So, medyo mahaba-haba ang ating lesson ngayon. Pero don't worry, paiikliin namin yan. Kasama ko si Tutor Jolly for this afternoon. Ayan, natutulungan tayo sa ating lesson. So, shout out muna sa ating mga viewers. Kila Cedric John Reyes from Ingud Ramona Integrated School. Ayan. Kay Lane Rivera from Becuran High School. Melissa de la Cruz Laksamana. Oh, si Arcel Kane Laksamana from Baruya High School. Okay, Vieni. Good afternoon din kila Kerubin Gabriel watching from Novaliches High School. At binabati niya rin ang kanyang advisor na si Ma'am Raquel Cruz at math teacher na si Sir Marlo Tamano. Ganon din kila Marhon Manalansan. So, watching from SDO Pampanga. Ayan, magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Shout out din sa aming school principal na si Sir Remard T. De La Cruz, magandang tanghali po. Ayan. Ganun din kila Pamela Ann Marie from Ramona Trillana High School. Ayan. Magandang tanghali, Ma'am Jolly. Kamusta po? Kamusta,
Hello,
Tutor Jol?
good
Ayan.
afternoon po.
Batiin mo.
Magandang tanghali po sa lahat. Yes. Okay po.
Ayan.
So, ngayong hapon, okay po, kasama natin si Tutor Rose Ann. Siya po yung magdi-discuss sa half po. Okay, so
Mm-mm.
welcome po sa session natin ngayong hapon.
Okay.
Okay po.
So,
Tutor
simulan na po
Rose Ann.
natin. Salamat po, Tutor Jolly. So, simulan na natin our objectives for today. So, represent absolute value of a number on a number line. Then, find the sum, difference, product, and quotient of integers. Kaya medyo, sabi ko nga, medyo mahaba-haba ang ating discussion ngayon. Dahil kasama na din yung operations for integers. And then, problems involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. Ayan, so simulan natin sa ating first lesson, representing absolute value of a number on a number line. Are you familiar with the number line? So sige, mag-i-illustrate tayo sa ating mga example. But before that, let's have this. Identify the opposite of this following integers. Okay, so ano ba ang opposite ng positive 10? Can you please comment your answer? Ano ang opposite ng positive 10? Sabi ni Sebastian Pilapil, good afternoon, ma'am, good afternoon classmates. It's nice to see you again. Ayan, sabi ni Sebastian. Mga learners, don't forget to share, okay? Share po natin ang ating live streaming para marami ang makapanood at makasali sa ating session. Okay, marami nang nagsagot. Sabi ni Marhon Manalansan, negative 10. Si Janet Patayon, negative 10. Ayan, so negative 10 ang inyong sagot. So that is the opposite of positive 10. How about 45? Number 2. So tama yung mga sagot ninyo, negative 10. How about for number 2? Positive 45. What is the opposite of positive 45? Sige nga, paki-comment po. Ayan, si Lalien, Princess Rian, ayan, mga nagsagot din. Ayan, si Marhon Manalansan, negative 45. Ayan, Janet Flood Patayon. Okay, negative 45. Okay, number 3. Let's have number 3, negative 50. Okay, negative 50. Ano naman ang opposite nito? Ayun, may nagsagot na ng 1 to 5, si Kerubin Gabriel. Oo. Okay, number 3. Okay, the opposite of negative 50, of course, that is positive 50. And then for 67, number 4, positive 67, the opposite would be negative 67. Okay? So very good yung mga sumasagot. And of course, negative 96, that would be positive 96. Okay, so salamat sa mga comments nyo. Salamat sa inyong mga sagot. Okay, so let's have this. The absolute value, ano ba sinasabi nating absolute value? Okay, the absolute value of a number is the distance or is the distance of a number from 0. Okay, remember distance itself is always positive. Okay, the absolute value of a number n is written as, ayan, ito yung symbol for absolute value. Ito. Okay, ito yung symbol for absolute value. Ano ba yung sinatawag nating absolute value? Ito daw yung distance, okay? Distance ng isang number from 0. Okay? At laging tatandaan kapag distance, ito ay laging positive. Okay? So, letter A. If x is positive integer, then the absolute value of x is x. So, ano ibig sabihin niya, no? Ito ang symbol. In symbol, the absolute value of x is x. If x is greater than 0. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin niyan? Ang absolute value daw ng any positive integer, okay, ay yung positive integer din na yon. Okay? Halimbawa, okay, the absolute value of 6 is 6. Okay? Since 6 is a positive integer, then its absolute value is also 6. Ayan. So, kapag papakita natin, illustrate natin, gamit ang line, okay? So, from 0, okay, from 0, ano daw ang distance niya to 6? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, dito yung 6. So, ibig sabihin ng absolute value o ang distance, okay, ang distance ng 6 from 0 ay 6 units. Okay, nakasunod ba? Next, the letter B. If x is equal to 0, okay, kung ang x naman daw ay 0, then the absolute value of x is x. Or, okay, ang halimbawa niyan, absolute value of 0 is still 0. Bakit naging 0 pa rin? Kasi ang sabi natin si absolute value ay distance from 0. So, since hindi naman siya umalis dito sa 0, wala siyang magiging distance from 0. So, yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? Letter C, if x is a negative integer, okay, so kanina nag-positive tayo, nag-0 tayo, how about kapag negative integer daw? Okay, ano naman ang absolute value ni negative integer? Okay, if x is a negative integer, then the absolute value is the opposite, okay, is the opposite of x. Okay, halimbawa or in symbol, the absolute value of negative x is x. Okay? If x is less than 0. So, halimbawa, okay, the absolute value of negative 3. Okay, ano daw ang absolute value ni negative 3? So, the absolute value of negative 3 is the opposite integer of negative 3, which is positive 3. Okay? So, kung i-illustrate natin gamit ang number line, okay, from 0 to negative 3, okay, from 0 to negative 3, magmo-move siya ng ilang units. So, from 1, 2, and then 3 to negative 3. Kaya, 3 pa rin ang kanyang absolute value. Kasi sabi nga natin kanina, ang distance, okay, ang distance walang negative sign. Lagi siyang positive. Okay, so 3 units pa rin ang absolute o 3 units ang minove niya from 0. Okay, nakasunod ba? Okay, Janet Flood Patayon joining from Massachusetts, USA. Okay, Don Lester Bayuwa from Cupis National High School. Good afternoon din. Kay, ano daw? Frixixile Agno from National High School. Okay, next. Okay, let us try. Represent the following value of a number on a number line. So, given this number, so papakita natin yung value niya sa number line. So, positive 7 from 0. So, from 0, magmumove siya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, dito siya. Ibig sabihin, ang absolute value ay 7. Okay, next. 10. How about 10? So, from 0 again. So, magmumove siya ng ilan? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So, the absolute value of 10 is also 10. Okay, how about negative 8? So, negative 8, i-illustrate natin. So, from 0, move tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ayun. So, ano ang absolute value ni negative 8? Paki-comment down nga. Sige nga, paki-comment. What is the absolute value of negative 8? Sige, paki-comment. Hello po. Okay. Sabi ni, what is the absolute value of negative 8? So that would be, ayan, tama si Janet Flood, patayon. Positive 8. So sabi ko nga, di ba kanina, pag negative ang given of negative integer, ang absolute value niya ay yung opposite niya. Okay, ano ang opposite ni negative 8? That would be positive 8. Okay? And also, gamit sa number line natin, pag in-illustrate natin, nag-move siya ng 8 units from 0. Okay, so tama sila Frixie Zyle, Samantha, Ronaldine, and Laika. Ayan. Okay, how about this? Give the absolute value of the following number lines. So ito, ano ang absolute value nito? Sige, paki-comment nga po. Sabi ni Alexandra Patrica, positive 8, yes. Okay. How about this one? Given this number line, okay, ano ang absolute value nito? Okay, so sabi ni Janet, ni Alexandra, ni Princess Rian ay 5. Okay, the absolute value of 5 is 5. How about the second one? Ito, how about this one? The second illustration. Okay, so what is this one? Ano ang ating absolute value? Okay, so positive 5. Yes, tama yung number 1. Okay, so second one is 11. Yes, 11. Positive 11. Okay, so very good. Marhon, Manalansan, Don Lester. Sino pa? Ang dami. Nag-aano kagad. Sila Kerubin, Samantha, ayan, John Leonard. So tama po ang inyong mga sagot. And lastly is, of course, that would be, okay, positive 9 ang absolute value ni negative 9. Okay, so very good. Okay, Lustanzo. Alexandra, yes, tama. Okay, so let's move to the next lesson, addition of integers. So paano naman ang pag-add? Okay, paano naman ang pag-add ng integers? Okay, so tama po yung mga salamat sa mga sumagot. Okay, napaka-active ng ating mga learners ngayon. Okay, just keep sharing this live, okay? Salamat po. Okay, let's have the second lesson, addition of integers. Okay, so let's have the addition using the number line. Okay, use the number line to find the sum. Okay, the sum of 6 and 5. Okay, so paano natin siya i-illustrate? Yung 6 plus 5 or 6 and 5. So from 6, okay, from 6, magmo-move pa tayo ng 5. Okay, mag-a-add tayo ng 5. So from 6, which is the absolute value is also 6. Okay, so magmo-move tayo ng 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. At magpo-fall siya sa 11. So, ibig sabihin, 6 and 5, that would be 11. So, gaanon ang pag-a-add using number line. How about this one? Find the sum of 7 and negative 3. Ayan, so tama sila Samantha, sila Kerubin, Celsi, okay, Don Lester, Mary Ann, Mark Gabriel Cañete, 11. Yes. Okay, very good po. How about number 2? Find the sum of 7 and negative 3 using number line. Okay, so from 7, ito yon. Magmo-move tayo ng negative 3. So kapag negative 3, saan papunta? Okay, saan siya papunta? Ang negative 3 ay papunta sa kanan o kaliwa? Okay, papunta siya sa kaliwa, kaliwang side, the left side. Okay, from 7, babalik tayo sa kaliwa. Okay, mag-move tayo ng tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, magpo-fall siya saan? Sa positive 4. Okay, oo. Ayan, tama sila Kerubin, si Hazel Ann, Don Lester. Okay, so that would be positive 4. Okay, very good. Sabi ay 3 plus 7. Ginawa niyo yung positive 3. Si negative 3. So, hindi. Okay, ang absolute value ni negative 3 ay 3. Yes. Okay, ibig sabihin, meron siyang 3 units. Okay, 3 units from 7. From 0. Okay, so from 7, ibig sabihin, and then mag-a-add tayo ng negative 3. Ang negative 3 ay papunta sa left side. Okay, papunta siya sa left side. Ang positive right side, di ba? Okay, so mag-move tayo ng 3 units kasi yun yung absolute value ni negative 3. So from 7, mag-move tayo ng 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Ayan. So, nag-fall siya sa positive 4. Okay na tayo doon? Maliwanag ba? Nakasunod ba doon? Okay, so next. Addition of integers using signed tiles. Okay. So first, when we combined one positive with another positive, okay, they will appear as plus or dalawang positive sign. Okay, so halimbawa, magko-combine tayo ng dalawang positive. Okay? So dalawang positive plus another 2 positive, magiging equals to 4 positive sign tayo. Okay, so ganun yon. Nakasunod ba dito? Halimbawa, positive 2. Dalawang positive sign to, ibig sabihin 2. Okay, positive 2. Plus, dalawang positive sign again, so that would be 2. So 2 plus 2, that would be 4. Positive 4. Okay, next, when we combined one negative with another negative, they will appear as negative or dalawang negative. Okay, so halimbawa, we have here three negative sign. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 negative sign plus another 2 negative sign. Okay, pagsasamahin lang natin sila. So magkakaroon tayo ng 5 negative sign. Okay, nakasunod ba dito? So ulitin natin ha. Positive plus positive, okay, magiging positive. Negative at saka negative, pag kinumbine, that would be negative also. But when we combined one positive with one negative, they will cancel each other. So paano naman yan? Halimbawa, we have 5 negative here, negative sign, 5 negative sign, plus 2 positive sign. Okay, sabi ay, they will cancel each other. So, mag-cancel out tayo. May isang negative, mag-cancel din tayo ng isang positive sign. Okay, another negative, mag-cancel ulit tayo ng another positive. So, ano ang matitira sa atin? Okay, matitiran lang tayo ng 3 negative sign. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 5 negative plus 2 positive, that would be 3 negative sign. Okay? Selfie Kate Villegas, 3 po. Oh, yes. Very good. Okay? Nakasunod ba tayo? Okay, letter C, addition of integers using the rules. Okay, so rule 1. Ano-ano ba yung rules for addition of integer? Okay, rule 1. When the integers have like sign, okay, add the number and copy the common sign. Okay, so example, 8 plus 5. Okay, positive parehas. So 8 plus 5, i-add daw natin and then copy the common sign. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Copy the common sign, that would be positive. So yung positive sign, hindi na natin siya sinusulat. Automatic na positive ito. Okay, so katulad kanina sa letter B natin, using tile sign or sign tile. Okay, di ba? Kapag ka dalawang positive, ang magiging sagot nyo ay dalawa. Pagka isang positive at isang positive ay inad, ang magiging sagot ay dalawang positive. And also with negative sign, di ba? Kapag ka may dalawang negative sign, ang dalawang negative plus dalawang negative, magiging apat na negative. So you will just add the number and then just copy yung common sign nila. Okay, how about this? Negative 10 plus negative 9. So add the number. So 10 plus 9 is 19. And then copy the common sign, which is negative. Okay? Nakasunod ba doon? Okay. How about rule number 2? Okay. When the integers have unlike signs, okay, so magkaibang sign daw, subtract the numbers and use the sign of the number with a greater absolute value. So kapag daw magkaiba ang sign, isang positive, isang negative, okay, sasubtract daw natin sila and then ikakopy natin ang sign ng number na may mataas or greater absolute value. Okay, halimbawa, negative 2 plus 4. Okay, negative 2 plus 4, so sasubtract lang natin siya, that would be 2. And then, kakopy natin yung number or yung sign ng number with the greatest or greater absolute value. Okay, ano ba absolute value ng negative 2? Ang absolute value niya ay 2. Ang 4 naman, ang absolute value niya ay 4. Okay, 2 and 4, so siyempre mas mataas si 4, kaya ang kokopyahin natin o ang ikakopy nating sign ay yung sign ni 4, which is positive. Okay, nakasunod ba? Okay, next. How about this? 38 plus negative 20. Okay. So 38 plus negative 20, again, subtract natin sila. So 38 minus 20, that is 18. Alin ang kakopy nating sign? 38 or negative 20? Alin ang ikakopy nating sign? Yung 38 ba? Or yung kay 20 or negative 20, sabi ni Arzel K. Laksamana is positive. Yes, very good. Kasi mas mataas ang absolute value ni 38 kaysa kay negative 20. So, the answer is positive 18. Okay, very good. Next, negative 42 plus 16. Okay, so 42 minus 16, that would be 26. Okay, bakit naging negative 26? Kasi kinopy natin ang sign ng number with greater absolute value, which is 42. Okay, nakasunod ba? Ayan, sabi nila yung 38 daw ang susundin nating sign sa number 2. Okay, very good po. Yes. Ayan, sabi ni Princess Rian, yung negative 42 ang susundin nating sign sa number 3. Okay, very good. Which is negative. Okay, so let's try this one. Add the following integers. So negative 5 plus negative 11. So what would be the answer? Negative 5 plus negative 11. Ito, like sign sila. Parehas ang sign nila, which is negative. So, paano ang gagawin natin? For number 1, so that would be Okay, Janet Patayon, negative 16. Ayan, Cleo Ferreyes Solano, negative 16. Yes, very good. So, bakit? Just add the number and then copy their common sign. Okay, next. How about 6 plus negative 9? 6 plus negative 9, magkaiba ang kanilang sign. Oh, paano gagawin natin pagka magkaiba ang sign? Okay, so tama yung mga sumagot ng negative 16 for number 1. Ayan. So, number 2, 6 plus negative 9, sabi ni Janet at Cleo Ferreyes, Mary Rose, that would be negative 3. Okay, subtract the number and then copy the sign of the number with greater absolute value. Ayan, very good. So, ibig sabihin na naiintindihan talaga yung ating lesson. Okay, how about number 3? Negative 4 plus negative 4. How about number 3? Negative 4 plus negative 4, what would be the answer? Okay, again, same ang kanilang sign. So, that would be negative 8. Ayan, i-add lang natin yung number and then copy their common sign. Okay, how about 4? 7 plus negative 6. 7 plus negative 6. Ito ay magkaiba ulit ang kanilang sign. Okay, pagka magkaiba ang sign, anong ginagawa? Okay, so tama yung mga sumagot ng negative 8 for number 3. Ayan, so ang dami na nilang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay, so for number 4, ayan, nisagot na sila Janet, Mary Rose, ayan, si Jelay, sino pa yung sumagot ng, ayan, si Cherry Bondok, that would be positive 1. So subtract the number, 7 minus 6 is 1, then copy the sign of a number with the greater absolute value. Okay, how about number 5? 18 plus negative 11. Okay, so that would be positive 7. Okay, next, let's have lesson 3. Okay, medyo mahaba nga. Okay, for this week. Lesson 3, subtraction of integers. So, paano naman daw mag-subtract ng integers? To subtract two integers, add the opposite or additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend. That is, if A and B are any two integers, then A minus B is equals to A plus quantity negative B. Okay. Then follow the rules for addition of integers. So for subtraction of integers, dalawa lang ang ating tatandaan. Number 1 is the KCC. Ano ibig sabihin ng KCC? Keep, change, change. Okay? Keep, change, change. And then number 2, follow the rules for addition. Okay? So yun lang ang dalawang tatandaan natin for subtraction. Okay, so let's have example number 1, 7 minus 3. So paano yung 7 minus 3? Sabi, KCC, keep, change, change. So ano ikikip natin? Keep the first integer the same. Okay? So keep, so just copy the first integer, which is 7. Change. Ano i-change natin? Change the subtraction sign to addition. So yung minus, gagawin lang natin plus. Okay? And then next, change again. Ano daw yung i-change natin? Change the sign of the second integer. Okay, so this one is positive 3. Therefore, gagawin lang natin siyang negative 3. And then, pangalawang step, okay, do the rule or follow the rules for addition. Okay? So 7 plus negative 3, that would be positive 4. Okay, ang bibilis ng mga estudyante natin ngayon, no? Sila Marhon, Manalansan, kay Matt, Manalansan, Sean Philip, ayan. So, ang dami nyong mga nakakuha kagad ng tamang sagot. Very good po. Okay, how about number 2? 4 minus 5. So, again, KCC, Okay, keep, change, change. So, keep natin si 4, si subtraction, gagawin nating addition. And then, change positive 4. So, that would be negative 5. Ay, change natin si positive 5, that would be negative 5. And then, follow the rules for addition. So, 4 plus negative 5. Okay, sabi ni Samantha, 1. So, sabi ni Samantha ay 1 ba? Okay, so medyo, ano daw? 1. John Adrian Datu, negative 1. Ayan. Okay, so that would be negative 1 kasi mas mataas ang absolute value ni negative 5. Okay, number 3. 2 minus quantity negative 4. Okay, so KCC again. So keep 2. Then change natin si minus as plus. Okay, and then change natin si negative 4. So magiging positive 4. Okay, and then follow the rules for addition. 2 plus 4. That would be, ayan, si Jelay, tama. That would be 6. Okay, very good. Okay, number 4, negative 3 minus 5. So KCC, keep natin negative 3 plus negative 5. And that would be, yes, negative 8. Okay, find the difference in altitude between a mountain 3,900 feet high and a valley 385 feet below sea level. Okay, so paano natin siya isusulat as mathematical sentence? So that would be 3,900 feet minus, bakit negative to? Bakit negative 785? Okay, bakit siya pa negative? Kasi siya ay pababa. Okay, pababa. So kung ang number line natin ay vertical, ang positive natin ay nasa taas. Okay, ang pababa naman ay negative sign. Okay? So ibig sabihin, 3,900 feet minus negative 785. Okay, so KCC ulit tayo. Keep 3,900 plus, okay, change natin si minus as plus, and then change natin si negative 785, so magiging positive siya. And that would be 4,685. Ayan, ang bibilis nilang sumagot. Very good po. Okay, so subtract the following. So 16 minus 12, okay, that would be 4. How about this? 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16, what is the answer? Medyo pawis na ako. What is 20 minus 16? That would be, yes, that would be 4. How about 19 minus 23? That would be, oh, bakit siya naging negative? Oh, may typographical pala tayo. Okay, how about number 4? Yes, 4 to. Okay, how about negative 3 minus negative 4? Okay, that would be 1. 19 minus negative 7. Okay, that would be 26. Okay, so meron pa tayong dalawang lesson. Medyo mahaba-haba tayo ngayon, ano? So, yung lesson 4 and lesson 5, ayan, i-continue naman ni Tutor Jolly. Okay, Tutor Jolly, kayo na po. Hello po.
Hello po.
Ayan, ayan dyan na si Tutor Jolly.
Hello po. Okay po. So, let's continue. Thank you, Tutor Roseanne. Okay, for lesson 4, we have multiplication of integers. Rules in multiplying integers, we have number 1. When you multiply two numbers with the same signs, the product is positive. So, we have example. Okay, multiply quantity sign times positive. All is positive. Okay po. So, okay, if we're going to, dalawang negative tayo, negative sign, okay, so if we're going to multiply, negative times negative is equals to positive po, okay? So, if we're going to multiply, okay, wag po malito. Pag dalawang sign po yan, dalawang negative po, okay, pag minultiply mo is always positive po yon. Okay, kung dalawang positive naman po ulit, the answer, the product is always positive. Okay, for the rule number 2, when you multiply two numbers with different signs, the product is negative po. Okay, so wag malito ha ulit. Pag dalawa pong same sign, dalawang integers that same sign, the answer is always positive po yon. Okay po. Then if you're going to multiply unlike sign, okay po, always negative po yung product niya, yung sign ng product. Okay po. Yep, next. Okay, so like for example, we have the example for the rule number 1, we have 6 times 9. Okay, positive 6 times positive 9, the answer is positive 54. And then the other one, negative 7 multiplied to negative 6, the answer is positive 42. Okay, for number 2 po, we have the example. Unlike sign naman tayo, negative 8 multiplied to positive 5, the answer is negative 40. Then the other one, okay, so positive 5 times negative 2, the answer is negative 10. Magkaiba po yun. Okay, hello, good afternoon po. Okay, from, okay, SDO Pampanga. Hello po, si Leslie. Okay, so we have, okay, we're going to apply, okay, number 3 rule po. Any number multiplied by 0 gives a product of 0. Okay, kahit anong number daw po na i-multiply natin sa 0, the answer is always 0 po, kahit ano po yun. Okay, so we have the example. Okay, positive 10 multiply to 0. The answer is 0, yung product po niya. Okay po, so we have, okay, let's try. Okay, we're going to find the product of the following integers. Okay po, so we have, okay, for number 1, sige nga po, ang sabi natin kanina, two integers that the same sign, okay? I-multiply lang po natin yung dalawang integers, then ang product po, ang sign ng product natin is always positive po. Sige nga, paki-ano nga po, i-chat nyo po sa chat box po, negative 6 multiply to negative 4. What is the answer? Okay, Cleophie Reyes, thank you, very good for your answer. Okay, Marjon. Okay, so we have the answer is 20. Okay, Mary Rose. Very good. Okay, the answer is 24. Why it is positive 24? Mga anak, uulitin ko. Okay, two integers, dalawang number na ang sign niya po parihas. Okay, hindi po magkaiba. Tandaan po na yung product po, ang sign ng product nyo, always po positive po yon. Okay? Kahit negative pa po yan. Okay, so we have the number 2. Ito, magkaiba po. Negative 11 multiply to positive 20. What is the answer? Yes, Berks, very good. 24, Melody, yes, very good. Raquel, yes, very good po. Okay, because po parehas, yes, exactly po, Velma, yes, exactly po kasi parehas yung sign nila. How about number 2? Negative 11 multiply to positive 20. What is the product? Ano po ang product nila? Okay, what is the product po? Negative 11 multiply to positive 20. Yes, very good, Cherry po. The answer is negative 220. Yes, John, Adrian, Dato, yes, very good. Francis, yes, Rian, very good po. Negative 220. How about the next one? We have number 3. Ito, mga anak, magkaiba na naman. Positive 5 multiplied to negative 30. What is the product? Okay, yes. Okay. So we have, okay, so the number 3, what is the answer po? Positive 5 multiplied to negative 30. Mga anak, what is the answer? Paki-chat po sa box. Okay, so yes. Okay, so the answer is yes, very good, Cherry. Janet, yes, very good po. Alexandra, yes, very good. Chesley, yes, very good. Hazel, yes, the answer is negative 150. Okay, we have number 2. Ito po. Okay, sabi nga kanina, i-apply po natin. Any number multiply to 0, what is the product? For number 4 po, negative 8 multiply to 0. Negative 8 times 0, what should be the answer? Yes, Mary Rose. Yes, thank you. Okay, very good. The answer is 0. Yes. Samantha, yes, very good. Okay, Mary Jo, yes, very good. The answer is 0. How about this one? Okay, ito mga anak, tandaan nyo, magkatulad naman. Negative 12 multiplied to negative 8. What is the answer? Okay, same sign po tayo. Okay, paki-apply po. Same sign. What is the answer? Yes, Marjan, very good. For the answer for number 4. Yes, okay. So we have Mary Rose, yes. Very good. The answer is positive 96. Okay. Chesley, yes, very good. Arzen, yes, very good. Yes, sa number 4 po, 0. Yes, John Adrian, 96. Okay, we have number 5. Okay, thank you po dun sa mga nagsagot. Okay, division of integers. Rules in dividing integers, we have when two numbers with the same sign are divided, the quotient po is always positive. Ano yung quotient nun? Yun po yung sagot niya. Okay po? So example, we have negative 51 divided by negative 3. The answer is positive 17. Okay. So same lang sila ng multiplication. Kung natatandaan nyo mga anak, same lang po sila na pag same sign, always po, yung quotient po natin is positive. Sa product din po, sa multiplication, always po yan positive. So same lang sila. Okay, for number 2, when two numbers with different signs are divided, the quotient is always negative po. Okay, so we have the example. Okay, negative 57 divided by 19, the answer is negative 3. If you observe, anak, kung nakikita nyo, magkatulad po ito sa multiplication. Kaya hindi po kayo malilito. Okay po. Okay, so we have rule number 3. Okay, the rules for dividing 0 by a non-zero number and for division by 0 still hold po. Okay, 0 pa rin po. Same din po, di ba, sa multiplication. Any number, pag dinivide po natin, okay, sa 0, the answer is 0. Tapos, okay, any number divide 0, the answer is undefined po. Okay, so we have the next one. We have, okay, so let's try. Find each quotient po. Okay po, so we have 0 divided by 50. Ano ang sagot po? Okay, so we have number 1 muna. 63 divided by 9. What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer po? 63 divided by 9. Okay, yes, for number 5. Yes, very good po. 0 divided by 50 is 0. Okay, how about number 1? 63 divided by 9 po. Okay, so we have, yes. Okay, Imaan, yes, very good. John Adrian, yes, the answer is 7. Very good po. Okay, Mary Rose, yes, exactly, very good po. Positive 7. Okay, for number 2, we have negative 88 divided by negative 8. What is the answer? Ito, tandaan nyo mga anak, same sign tayo again. So what will be the answer? Okay, so what will be the answer for number 2? Okay? So we have, yes, Janet, very good po. The answer is positive 11. Okay. So we have, okay, for number 3 po. How about number 3? Positive 125 divided by negative 5. What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer for number 3? Yes, Hazel, very good po. For number 2, the answer is 11. Abdul, yes, very good po. How about number 3? Yes, Imaan, yes, the answer is negative 25 kasi magkaiba po sila. Okay, magkaiba po yung sign. Okay, so we have number 4. Okay, for number 4, what is the answer po? Yes, Mary Rose, very good. Mary Joy, yes, very good po. The answer number 3 is negative 25. How about number 4? How about number 4? What is the answer? Okay, sige mga anak. How about number 4? Okay, magkaiba po ulit yan. Isang negative, isang positive po. If we're going to divide. Okay, so we have, yes, Alexandra, very good po. Okay, the answer is negative 9. Okay po, then we have Hazel. Yes, very good po. Okay, so very good po. We have negative 9. Okay po, Kate, yes, the answer is negative 9. Very good. Kate, Abdul, yes, the answer is negative 9. Okay po, so Rachel, yes, very good. That is the answer is negative 9. So yes mga anak, so alam ko naiintindihan nyo talaga yung topic natin ngayon. Okay po, so we have, okay, for the question of the week, tatawagin po natin si Tutor Rose Ann. Tutor Rose Ann for the question of the week. Tutor Rose Ann. Thank you mga anak.
Ayan.
Okay po.
Okay. Okay, so meron tayong question of the week. Ito naman, ipopost natin sa ating group. Then pwede kayo doon mag-comment ng inyong sagot or picture ng inyong sagot. Okay, so ano ba ang question natin? Tom played golf at the amusement park. His score on the first 5 holes were negative 1, positive 1, negative 2, negative 1, and negative 2. What was his mean? So, pag sinabi nating mean, yun ay average. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin nyo yung average nito. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, i-add nyo, and then, i-divide ninyo sa kung ilan ba yung number na ito. Okay, so what was his mean or average score for these holes? So, again, yan ay ating ipopost, okay, sa ating group, FB group na ETUlay Online Tutorial o DepEd ETUlay. So kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-join dito sa ating FB group, join na po kayo at pwede kayong post ng inyong sagot or ng inyong picture habang nagsasagot. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakasama natin for this afternoon. Ma'am Jolly, maraming salamat po. Ayan. So, see you again next week. Same time tayo. 1:35, nag-i-start na tayo. So, 1:35 to 2:20. So, medyo nag-overtime tayo. Okay, so ito po yung iba pang mga teachers sa junior high school. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Okay, kita-kita na lang po ulit tayo next Friday para maging matatalinong learners. Bye-bye! Thank you, Tutor Jolly!
Thank you, Tutor Rose Ann. Bye-bye po.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag #ETUlayLevelUp. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!